Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is on Amazon. You will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. So many uses. There's no end to the ways you can use your P-Touch PTD 210. This label maker has you covered. From file folders or organizing your supplies to clothes storage and more. With its convenient one-touch keys, you can quickly access fonts, symbols, frames, and templates. Plus, you can preview your work on the display, so you will know exactly how your label will look before you print. Portable. Use it on the go or at your desk thanks to its lightweight and portable design. The Brother PTD 210 label maker is an excellent option for when you're on the go. All you need to get printing are 6 AAA batteries, sold separately. Want to keep your label maker close to home? You can opt for the optional AC power adapter, AD24, and keep it plugged in at your desk for all your label printing needs. In addition, the PTD 210 has an optional protective case, CCD 210, which is sturdy enough for storage and easy portability, so you can store batteries and additional tapes when you are on the go. Genuine tapes from Brother for the home and office. Labels made with Brother genuine TZE laminated tape are strong and durable. Brother TZE laminated tapes can go from the freezer to the microwave to the dishwasher in the kitchen. They are water resistant and fade resistant, so they stay put indoors and outdoors. There's a touch tape sure to match your needs. Specialty tapes are available for cables and wires, for photos, and non-laminated iron-on tape for clothes, school uniforms, and linens, all with various colors, sizes, and types. Add your personal touch. The PTD 210 makes personalizing labels faster and easier than ever before. It includes 10 unique styles, 14 fonts, 98 frames, and over 600 symbols for all your labeling needs. Need some inspiration? Explore 27 templates that include some great pattern designs that make creating professional and eye-catching labels a total breeze. Your complete labeling solution. The Brother P-Touch PTD 210 BP Label Maker Bundle comes with 1 sample of black on white label tape and 3 full-length black on white label tapes for added value. The number 3 on the list is choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Portable label maker. Label on the go with a handheld printer. Powered by a long-lasting rechargeable battery. Powerful customization through PCOR Mac. Included cable lets you access fonts, graphics, and barcodes loaded to your PC and Mac. Type quickly and easily. Label Maker lets you quickly type text on the familiar computer-style QWERTY keyboard. Edit with one-touch fast formatting keys and print perfect. Professional labels every time. Prints custom labels. Choose from 20+ ways to format text, and 200+ symbols and clip art allows for customization. Use with authentic Dymo labels. For best performance, use authentic Dymo D1 label tapes in 1/4 of an inch, 3/8 of an inch, and 1/2 an inch, 6 mm, 9 mm, 12 mm, widths available in a variety of colors. The number 2 on the list is Many positives reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. Portable label maker. Compact and lightweight for portability, making it easy to label just about anything, anywhere. Prints custom labels. Choose from 5 font sizes, 7 print styles and 8 box styles. Preview text effects. See font effects on screen before you print with a graphical display. ABC style keyboard allows for quick creation of labels. Save power. Auto off functionality when not in use. Bonus pack includes 1 Lieutenant paper label, 1/2 an inch, black on white cassette, 1 Lieutenant plastic label, 1/2 an inch, black on white cassette, and 1 Lieutenant plastic label, 1/2 an inch, black on clear cassette. The number 1 on the list is This product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Brother P-Touch PTM95 label maker. This P-Touch labeler is lightweight, portable, and easy to use. It features a QWERTY keyboard and an easy view display. Great for home and home office use. The PTM95 comes with a variety of type styles, frames, and symbols to easily personalize your labels. Get your home and home office organized and personalized. Add a custom touch to all your items, from files and folders in your home office to school projects and gift bags at home. It's easy to label just about anything that you need to keep organized. Choose from various sizes, widths and colors. Genuine Brother M tapes comes in 9 mm, 3/8 inch, and 12 mm, 1/2 inch, widths and a range of colors. Many label making options. The PTM95 can print 1 or 2 lines of text, and includes 8 deco mode patterns. 9 tie. Your complete labeling solution. The Brother P-Touch PTM95 BP label maker bundle comes with 1 sample of black on white label tape and 3 full-length black on white label tapes for added value.